hospital bedroom. McKenna has broken her leg, and Rebecca is going to get her tonsils removed. Above each doll is a monitor, and beside each doll there's a cabinet that we made that we just covered cardboard with paper that looks like wood. And this is a desk organizer, and we rolled up bandages for the dolls. This is on both sides of each doll. The doctor's seat and table is over there with casts and bandages and band-aids. The bed is Froggy Stuff's hospital bed. She has a video of it. You can lay it up and you can lay it down flat. And then right here, this wheelchair is Journey Girl, and this crutch is Journey Girl. It looks like real metal, but it's really not. I don't think so. And the curtain is also Froggy Stuff's idea, but a little bit of our own idea. It cannot open, but it can move. It rings from a binder, which is Froggy Stuff's idea. Bye, thanks for watching.